Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system, and it is also the closest to the Sun. This means that it is exposed to very strong solar winds. These winds are made up of charged particles that can strip atoms and molecules from the surface of the planet. In the case of Mercury, the solar wind strips sodium atoms from the surface of the planet. These atoms form a trail that trails behind the planet. This trail is called Mercury's tail. Mercury's tail is very thin and faint, so it is difficult to see with the naked eye. In order to see it, you need to use a telescope with high magnification and a special filter that blocks the light of the sun. Tail is the brightest within 16 days of the planet's perihelion. Perihelion is the point at which Mercury is at its closest distance to the Sun. At this time, the solar wind is strongest, and it strips more sodium atoms from the surface of the planet. Mercury's tail is a mystery of the solar system. Scientists still cannot accurately determine how it formed. There are several theories, but none of them is definitely proven. One theory is that Mercury's tail formed as a result of planets' bombardment by comets. Comets contain large amounts of sodium atoms, and their collision with Mercury could have led to the detachment of these atoms from the surface of the planet. Another theory is that Mercury's tail formed as a result of volcanic activity on the planet. Volcanoes spew a large amount of material onto the surface of the planet, including sodium atoms. The solar wind can detach these atoms from the surface of the planets and create a tail. If you want to see Mercury's tail, you need to prepare. You will need a telescope with a magnification at least 100 and a special filter that blocks the light of the sun. You should also choose the right day. The best time to observe Mercury's tail is within 16 days of the planet perihelion.